The easiest way to explode your wealth as an S Corp owner is right here and actually works. Ready to discover 5 insider tax hacks that can save you thousands? Let's get started. Welcome back to Tax Premier. I'm your host, Jonathan Wood, and today we're diving deep into the world of tax savings for S Corp owners. If you set up your business as an S Corp or are thinking about it, you already know that it's not a fancy label. It's a powerful tool for protecting your assets and boosting your profits. But here's the kicker. Even with an S Corp, many business owners miss out on game-changing tax strategies that the rich use to explode their wealth. We'll talk about everything from home office deductions and business expenses to retirement planning and strategic entity structure. By the end of our session, you'll be equipped to take your S Corp and your bottom line to the next level. Let me take you back to when I first set up my S Corp. I remember thinking, wow, this is it, the magic shield that will protect my personal assets. I even joked that my S Corp was like a superhero cape that made all the financial worries just vanish. But then reality set in. The paperwork, the compliance headaches, and worst of all, the tax season surprises. I started noticing I wasn't taking advantage of some pretty powerful tax breaks that could have saved me thousands of dollars. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the tax maze? Or maybe you've had a light bulb moment, realizing you could deduct expenses you never knew existed. Let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing your stories and even your funniest oops moments during tax season. All right, now let's dive into the 5 insider tax hacks for S Corp owners that can dramatically improve your cash flow and lower your tax bill. Secret number 1 is leverage the home office deduction. If you run your business from home, you may qualify for the home office deduction. This allows you to deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage interest, utilities, and even maintenance costs. Imagine you use a 200 square foot room exclusively for work. You can deduct the proportional expenses of that space. This can add up to significant savings each year. Also, keep meticulous records of your expenses and measure your office space accurately. It's one of the simplest yet most overlooked deductions. Secret number 2 is maximize your business expense deductions. Every legitimate business expense, from travel and meals to office supplies and equipment, can be deducted. The trick is to track them consistently. Recently, I audited my expenses and discovered that I had over $3,000 in unclaimed deductions from travel and client entertainment. Claiming these reduced my taxable income substantially. Use accounting softwares that categorize expenses automatically and keep all receipts in a dedicated digital folder. Your future self will thank you when tax season rolls around. Secret number 3 is take advantage of the retirement plan contributions. S Corp owners have several retirement planning options, such as solo 401ks, SEP IRAs, or simple IRAs. Contributions to these plans are tax deductible and can lower your taxable income significantly. Also, work with a financial planner to determine which retirement plan fits your income level and long-term goals best. Secret number 4 is optimize your business structure and compensation. One of the biggest benefits of an S Corp owner is that you pay yourself a reasonable salary and take the remaining profits as distribution, which aren't subject to self-employment tax. I restructured my salary so that a portion was taken as a distribution. This move saved me thousands in payroll taxes without compromising compliance. Ensure your salary is reasonable according to the IRS guidelines to avoid any audits. Also, consult with a tax advisor to fine-tune your strategy. Secret number 5 is plan ahead with tax credits and incentives. There are numerous tax credits available for businesses, such as those for research development, energy efficiency improvements, or hiring certain target groups. One client I worked with claimed a research and development tax credit that cut his tax bill by 20% of his qualified expenses. These credits can directly reduce the taxes you owe. Stay current on available credits by following IRS updates and industry news. Sometimes a small change in your operations can qualify you for a bigger credit. These 5 secrets aren't just about reducing your tax bill. They're about reinvesting in your business and building a stronger financial foundation for long-term growth. Let's take a deeper dive into how these tax strategies work together to create a significant financial advantage. The tax code is complex, but the key takeaway is that every dollar you save on taxes is a dollar you can reinvest in your business. These strategies we discuss work by reducing your taxable income through deductions and credits, and by optimizing how you pay yourself. I want to share a real life example. A friend of mine, also an S Corp owner, restructured his compensation to maximize distributions while maintaining a reasonable salary. Over a single tax year, he saved over $15,000 in payroll taxes, money he reinvested in expanding his his business. This isn't a fluke, it's a strategy that, when applied correctly, can yield enormous benefits. The magic happens when you integrate these methods. For instance, using a home office deduction along with proper expense tracking can reduce your taxable income by a significant margin. Then adding retirement contributions and taking advantage of tax credits further lowers your tax liability. Over time, these savings compound, contributing to your business growth and your personal wealth. Tax planning isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. So you need to stay informed about legislative changes and adjust your strategy as your business evolves. I recommend periodic reviews with a tax professional to ensure you're always leveraging every available opportunity. Consider using robust accounting software, consulting with a tax advisor, and even joining a mastermind group with other business owners. These resources can keep you ahead of the curve and help you spot opportunities that you might have missed otherwise. Here are some highlights that really drive home the power of these strategies. Studies show that S Corp owners who optimize their compensation structure can reduce their overall tax burden by 20 to 30% compared to traditional sole proprietorships. One business owner I worked with was so diligent with his tax strategies that he reinvested over $25,000 in savings into expanding his company last year. The real secret isn't just about money saving. It's about using those savings to fuel further growth. I'd love to hear from you. What's the best tax tip you heard, learned, or ever learned as a business owner? Have you made any adjustments to your compensation or expense tracking that saved you money? Drop your experiences and questions in the comment section below. Your insight could help someone take their business to the next level. Here's the ultimate takeaway. By leveraging your S Corp status with these 5 insider tax hacks, you're not only just saving money, you're building a powerhouse of wealth. This isn't just about theory, it's about very strategies that rich use to explode their wealth and reinvest in their futures. To wrap up, remember these 5 essential tax hacks for S Corp owners. First is maximizing your workspace with the home office deduction. Also, track and claim every legitimate expense. And you also want to use tax advantage plans to lower your taxable income. In other words, using retirement accounts. Also, adjust your salary versus distributions for maximized tax savings. And as also, stay informed and claim every credit available to you. By applying these strategies consistently, you not only reduce your tax bill, but also empower your business to grow and thrive. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, one tax deduction at a time. If you found these tax hacks helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth financial strategies and tax tips every week. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and give me your favorite tax hack or any questions you might have. Also, check out my next video about advanced S Corp strategies for explosive business growth, where we dive even deeper into optimizing your financial framework. Thanks for watching, and here's to turning your S Corp into tax savings wealth building machine. Before you go, here are a few bonus tips that can further enhance your tax strategy. Schedule quarterly meetings with your accountant to review your deductions and adjust your strategy as needed. Tax laws change frequently, so stay updated by following trusted tax blogs, podcasts, or even joining local business groups. Also, consider taking a short course on tax planning for small business owners. Knowledge is power, and a little extra education can lead to significant savings over time. These extra steps can help ensure you're always ahead of the curve, making every tax season a win for your business. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate your commitment to learning and growing your business. Stay tuned for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.